Can a waterproof conduit body/pull point be partially buried or installed directly on the ground horizontally? The current pull point is partially buried because the wires from the pump controller are too short to get them above ground where it is currently located. I believe the wires are in a conduit that was buried in the same trench as the well pipes or about 4 to 6 feet below ground. Is there a way to extend the wires without a junction box?
Hello again, Mark. Sounds like you are quite busy with your electrical project within the past week or so. My name is I will be happy to assist you with your electrical question. My goal is to exceed your expectations on JustAnswer. 1. Negative, per the 2011 National Electrical Code, Article 314.29, all box and conduit body covers must remain accessible. A conduit body which is partially or completely buried beneath grade is not considered as readily accessible. 2. The only two methods to extend the wires would be to either de-install the conduit body and replace with a 45 or 90 degree or appropriate bend radius conduit elbow, or de-install the conduit body and install a waterproof handhole box at the grade level. Keep in mind that code requires a maximum of 360 degree bends, total of 4 90 degree bends, between box to box. 3. Here is the exact verbiage contained within the code: 314.29 boxes, conduit bodies and handhole enclosures to be accessible. Boxes, conduit bodies and handhole enclosures shall be installed so that the wiring contained in them can be rendered accessible without removing any part of the building or, in underground circuits, without excavating sidewalks, paving, earth or other substance that is to be used to establish the finished grade. 4. If installing an underground handhole box, then underground rated splices would be required inside the handhole box if not looping through the handhole box. Hope this helps. If you have any additional questions, let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, don't forget to rate me before you log off. The next time you have an electrical question, you can also request for me at http://www.justanswer.com/home-improvement/expert your electrician. Thanks. Kevin.
What is a handhole box?
Refer to the link and picture shown below. Heavy-duty rated fiberglass handhole underground boxes, or sometimes called an underground vault box, are typically only sold at an electrical supply store. Although Home Depot sells a PVC version of an underground rated box, but the PVC type is a thinner material than a fiberglass rated box. A fiberglass rated box is stronger than a PVC rated box and is a better investment in the long term. http://www.handhole.com/productinfo.htm.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.